Yes, sir. What's the deal? What's good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy KinfolkKari coming back at y'all with another banger. And as y'all can tell by the title, I got some heat for y'all boys. This video gonna be on the longer side, but it's gonna be well worth it, man. Got a lot to get into. So before we do it, you already know what I need y'all to do, man. Like the video up, sub up, ring that bell, man. But without further ado, let's get straight to it.
Sitting on Cougar is the truth. 79 might just take off the roof.
Boom. Alright, man. Starting off with this first shoe, bro. It's a blast from the past. You feel me? This is the Taxi 12s from 1996. 1996, you can tell by the box, man. This box is older than me. You feel me? OG Nike box, man. Side sticker reads 11.5 Air Jordan 12. Colors are white and black. Taxi. Jumping right into these things, bruh. Ooh. Gotta handle these with care, you feel me? These are definition of a grill, bruh. Real talk. Boom, here we go, bruh. These Air Jordan 12 Taxis from 1996, bruh. These retail for $135 November 1st. Of 96, man. Jumping right into the details, starting from the bottom, man. You know, you got your regular OG Taxi 12 bottom, man, with their yellow, really gold and black carbon fiber, man. Red jump in on the top of these things. On the midsole, you can start to see the yellowing on these, man. Nothing too crazy. I think, you know, it's a lot of people who can fix that, man. Get those back to the cocaine white that they need to be, man. But these do not look like a pair of 96 Taxis at all, man. Shout out to the homie, man, for even making this video possible. You feel me? These are in super good condition, man. The resale on these is probably crazy, bro. I haven't really checked into it. I'm pretty sure probably like for this type of, cause you know it all depends on the condition when it comes to OG sneakers like this. And man, this is damn near dead stock. Probably wore these one time, so yeah, bro. These can probably easily go for like $500 to $700 easily, bro. And then the quality on these with that tumble leather, bro. I don't know if we ever gonna get something of this quality again with Jordan brand, bro. But we got a lot more to get into, so let's get into that next shoe. Boom, jumping into this next shoe, man. And some of the OG sneakerheads, you already know what these is just off the box, man. We got the 2008 Taxi 12s, man, from the Countdown pack, man. These released. It was the Taxis and if I'm not mistaken, it was the Bread 11s as well, man. Came in a box of 2. I think the retail price was like $310, so it's really like what, $155 for each pair. Not too bad of a deal, man. December 20th was the release date. Jumping right into these things, man. Slide them out from the side. I need to put the little sound effect. One shoe, two shoe. Boom, here we go, man. The Jordan 12s from 2008. And right off the rip, man, I have to say the biggest difference that I see from the 96 pair is definitely the leather cut on these, man. They lowered the leather cut a lot on these, man. Because, man, on the 96 joints, bro, you can really tell on the inside, this leather cut was ridiculous, bro. It made the shoe look so bulky, man. That's pretty much the only big difference that I see with the 96 pair of these. And also, you know, of course, the leather quality. 96 pair tumbled leather is just butter. But that's pretty much it for these things, bro. Let's jump into the next shoe. Yes, sir. Boom, here we go, man. 2013 pair of Taxi 12s. Side sticker reads size 11. Air Jordan 12 retro. Colors are white, black, Taxi, and varsity red, man. Jumping right into these things. One shoe, two shoe. Boom, here we go, man. Your 2013 pairs of Taxi 12s. From the 08s and the 2013s, it's not really that much of a big difference, man, honestly. But, you know, huge differences from the 96s, man. Just with that leather cut, like we said before, not a big fan of that. December 14th was the release date for these. Retail price was $170, man. But yeah, man, not really too much to get into with these things. 2013 Taxis. Now let's get into the next shoe. Boom, here we go, man. Royalty 12 2021 release. You can already tell JB decided to go with the OG 96 vibes with the shoebox. Side sticker reading Air Jordan 12 retro, white, metallic, gold, and black. Size 11.5 is what I grabbed in these. Retail price $190. Jumping right into the shoe. One shoe, two shoes. Boom, here we go, man. Your 2021 Royalty 12. Starting from the bottom, working our way up on these, man. You got your regular 12 traction on these, man. Instead of that black and gold carbon fiber that we seen on the OGs, you got your black and gray. Instead of the white and gold accents up top, you just got an all white. Jumping into the midsoles, man, as you can see, where all the controversy was on these, man, you got your gold accent on that jump, man, as opposed to the all black. Jumping into the back of these, you got your white 2-3 instead of your red, and you got your white, gold, and black accents instead of that white, black, and red. And you also have a white and black jump in instead of that gold and red. I ain't gonna lie though, man, I still prefer the OGs on this part, man, specifically. In my opinion, I kind of like the OG colorway better, bro. Just cause that red just jumps out, you feel me? It jumps out way more. Jumping into the insoles on these, man, you got your black insole with that gold jump, man, instead of the red. And you also got a quilted lining on these instead of the smooth on the OGs, which I didn't really have a problem with. You ain't gonna be able to see none of that anyway, you feel me? But I kind of do like the quilted as opposed to that smooth, man. It make the shoe look like and feel like it's better quality when it's the exact same thing. Jumping into the tongue on these, man, you got your gold stenching going down on these instead of the black that you see on the OGs. And you also come with black laces. It also does come with white laces as well, which is probably what I'm gonna throw in mine to give it that OG feel to it. But that's enough talking about these things, bruh. Let's jump into that on feet. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, after looking at them on feet, man, I feel like we're being a little too hard on these things, man. It's pretty much the exact same shoe, man. And honestly, that gold kind of is refreshing to look at after looking at the same shoe 3 times, bruh. It is nice to see some type of differences on these, man. But if it's really that deep to you, you feel me? If you just a die-hard, you feel me, OG Jordan friend, you know what I mean? Just go ahead and paint that black, paint that red, paint that, and you got an OG taxi just like that, man. But it's really not that deep to me, personally, you know what I mean? I'm gonna just throw my little white laces in there and rock out. But I still do prefer the OGs over these for sure, man. Not gonna lie, but it's still a clean, dope shoe, bro. But y'all let me know down there in the comments what y'all think, man. Y'all working with the 2021s? I think y'all prefer the 13s, or y'all like the 08 joints? The OG 96s, man. Y'all let me know something down there in the comments. And don't forget to like the video up, sub up, and ring that bell. Till next time, it's your boy KinfolkKari. I'm out.